strain. You never tell me that again.
Okay, that's all for now.
Yep.
Yep.
Little jazz hands.
I like that bracelet you got her, Cameron.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful.
So little.
She works the camera.
Do that you're doing. Oh, you were going, Jordy. You were going.
About your future life, by getting married. Move that back. Why not? What are you gonna do? You're not gonna do anything? You're gonna live all by yourself? You're gonna be a bum on the side of the road? Well, then what? Then Ryan dies. Well, Uncle Jason may go too. Hey, wait a minute. Where's your dad in this equation?
She goes, what's an equation?
What happened to Daddy? What happened to Daddy? He's dead, Provo. What about Grandma Libby? Got some magic underwear.